Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Update on 1000 Days Challenge. This is day 717, so let's get things started. Alright, so first and foremost, balance market structure remains the same, no change in terms of equity balance wise. And if you look in terms of the weekly closing itself, we're still in somewhat like a doji candlestick on the weekly chart for Bitcoin itself. So this definitely right now we're picking up pace, but bear in mind that we did close with somewhat like a indecision kind of candlestick here. And as long as we do consolidate right below the 200 simple moving average on the weekly chart, I still lean towards much of a consolidation or a bearish kind of a sentiment in the time being. Also, volume wise, also very clearly that we are actually declining, which is a very clear consolidation sign. But of course, if we were to break strongly above this way, which means to say preferably we break towards near the 25 points or even 26K region itself, that will in fact be a very good sign that we could have a near-term bottom or even mid-term bottom, which is the next 2 to 3 months in the coming weeks ahead. Reason being is that if we do bounce strong enough ahead, we have a very decent likelihood to become a weak retest before we continue to the upside, giving a much more likelihood of a more convincing bounce. However, if we were to break just weakly above that, then we'll definitely want to go straight above it instead of quickly retesting it, which will result in a false breakout, and then we go into continuation pattern towards the downside in that sense. All right. So bear in mind right now from what I see in terms of the large cap coins, Ethereum definitely is doing very well, especially on the fact that with the new transition to the stake proof of stake mechanism itself is definitely hyping things up. So hopefully things goes as smoothly, but bear in mind if you were to look into Ethereum itself, as they always say, buy into the rumor and then sell into the actual news itself. All right. In any other case, if you guys have any questions, feel free to provide your comments below. But definitely in terms of the daily chart itself, there is seems to be some sort of bullish sentiment, but we still do have this 50 simple moving average on the daily chart acting as a potential resistance. Previously, we did make some online resistance over here, we break through it, retest, and then we break all the way down to here. So I definitely do not expect us to break above this on the very first try. So currently, right now, this is at 23.2K region itself. So we still have some room to it. So either we consolidate near here, or we give it some time for price, the moving average to move towards the downside. So in any other case, let's see how things price react according to here, in which case it could prove to be a decent short position if there is a short position to be looked at in terms of the shorter time frame itself. All right, otherwise, that's more or less about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to provide your comments below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.